Is snoring preventable? Yes, if you can find the reason, definitely snoring is preventable. What are the common causes of snoring? Excessive weight gain, obesity. So check your BMI, and with proper exercise and diet control, you can control snoring to an extent. Now, primary snoring is the common snoring we see. But if snoring is severe, then a condition called chronic obstructive sleep apnea, where the patient does not get oxygen during sleep and wakes up. That is a situation then you have to take it more seriously. You have to meet an ENT surgeon and find out where your obstruction is. You can do an endoscopy and check your nose and throat and find out the problem and get the corrective surgery. If you do not prefer a surgery, then the option is a CPAP machine. It is a machine that you use during sleep to prevent or control snoring.
Dr. Anjana's ENT and Super Speciality Center, Kakkanad, where healthcare transcends boundaries.